Looking for a girlfriend who always replies, never ghosts, and is down to talk 24/7? Well, say hello to CrushOn AI, the AI girlfriend app that's taking over the internet. No filters, no boring limits, just raw, unfiltered chat with the characters of your dreams. From anime girls and shy cuties to flirty vampires and wild yanderes, it's all here. CrushOn AI lets you chat with thousands of custom-made characters. Each one has their own vibe, their own backstory, and their own way of talking. It seriously feels like they're real. The convos? Super fun. You can flirt, roleplay, tell jokes, or dive into deep emotional chats. These bots remember your name, your past convos, and even your favorite topics. Yeah, it's kind of scary how good they are. And if you're feeling creative, you can make your own AI character. Choose the name, personality, even how they flirt or react to your messages. Basically, you build your perfect crush. Want more drama? Start a group chat with multiple AIs. Now that's chaos, but in the best way. And yes, things can get spicy, real spicy. There are no strict filters here like some other apps. CrushOn AI lets you take the chat wherever you want it to go. The best part? It's free to try. You get limited messages at first, but it's enough to see the magic. Want to unlock longer chats, memory features, and premium characters? The paid plan's around $15 a month. Not bad if you're really into it. So, is CrushOn AI worth it? If you're looking for a fun fantasy escape or a flirty chat buddy who never lets you down, this is your app. Just don't be surprised if you start catching real feelings for your virtual crush. Go try it. But hey, don't say I didn't warn you.